Welcome back to the chemistry lesson on the Engineer Squad channel. In this video, we will work on problems related to volume ratios in gases. A gas mixture consists of 2 moles of N₂O₃ and 4 moles of NO. If this mixture is completely decomposed into nitrogen and oxygen gases, determine the volume ratio of nitrogen gas to oxygen gas. To solve this problem, we need to remember de Leffec's law of volume ratios. The volume ratio of reacting or produced gases is equal to the ratio of their reaction coefficients. In this problem, we have two chemical equations, namely N₂O₃ gas and another related to the reaction of NO gas. N₂O₃ will decompose into nitrogen gas or N2 and oxygen gas or O2. We need to balance this chemical equation. In front of N₂O₃, we need to add the coefficient 2, and in front of nitrogen, we also add the coefficient 2. Meanwhile, for oxygen, we assign the coefficient 3. For the second reaction, NO will decompose into nitrogen, M2, and into oxygen, O2. In balancing this equation, we only need to assign 2 in front of NO, and the reaction is already balanced. Now we are going to analyze the first reaction. The amount of N₂O₃ is 2 moles, because the coefficient of nitrogen gas, or N2, is the same as that of N₂O₃. Therefore, the number of moles of nitrogen gas is also 2 moles. Meanwhile, for oxygen gas, O2, its coefficient is 3. Therefore, the moles of oxygen being calculated as 3 divided by coefficient of N₂O₃, and multiplied by 2 moles, resulting in 3 moles. Now, let's proceed to the second reaction analysis. It is known that the amount of NO is 4 moles, so the amount of nitrogen gas, N2, is coefficient of N2 divided by coefficient of NO, and multiplied by 4 moles, results in 2 moles. For oxygen, since its coefficient is same with N2, therefore, the amount of O2 being formed is also 2 moles. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It's a simple action for you, but highly motivating for us to continue discussing chemistry problems. Thank you for your support. Now, let's continue with this problem discussion. After successfully calculating the moles from both reactions, we will now calculate the total volume of nitrogen and oxygen. The total volume of nitrogen is 2 moles from the first reaction, and 2 moles from the second reaction. So, the total nitrogen from both reactions is 4 moles. As for the total volume of oxygen, it is 3 moles from the first reaction, and 2 moles from the second reaction. Therefore, the oxygen being formed from both reactions is 5 moles. From these results, we can answer the question that the volume ratio of nitrogen gas to oxygen gas is 4 to 5. This problem demonstrates the importance of de Leffec's law of volume ratios, especially for calculating the volume of substances in gaseous form in chemical reactions. Thank you for watching this problem discussion. Hopefully, the video added understanding for all of us. Don't forget to share it with your friends, and see you in the next problem discussion.